Okay, I want to talk about cell G6 setback. That's on the spreadsheet, the Easy Hartmann spreadsheet, cell G6, there's a setback. So what you do is you need, okay, I'll show you here. You're going to set the stage with a Ronchi so that you're right at the radius of curvature. And so let's say that we've already done that. Then this device here is going to go on the stage like that. Now, there's a nut, it gets nice and tight. The deal is there's a pinhole right there. And when it's on nice and tight, there is a distance from that pinhole. I'm trying to do the camera and this thing at the same time. Okay, hang tight. Okay, right there. You can see that there's a distance from the pinhole to the board. Now, what you do is you set the Ronchi on, you get it right at the radius of curvature. Then you put the mask on the mirror, and you put that pinhole extender on there at some measurement, let's say 3/4 of an inch. And you roll the stage back 3/4 of an inch. Well, what that does is it brings the stage back so the pinhole is once again at the radius of curvature. It's moved everybody back. You take a picture and you look to see if the dots are spreading throughout the CZD. Not too small, not too big. If they're too small, you need to go back more. So bring it back to the center of curvature. You make the pinhole extender a little longer. Let's say you take it to an inch, put it on, then roll it back an inch, and then you look to see if your exposure is right. Or if the dots are too spread out, you adjust it to 1/2 an inch. So you put the Ronchi on, put it right at the radius of curvature, and then you put the pinhole extender on at 1/2 an inch, then you roll it back 1/2 an inch, and you look to see if the pinholes are filling the screen just right. Now we're using 1/4x20 bolts, so you can tell that every turn is 1/20th of an inch. You can measure that easily. You have to enter that into cell G6. So however far back you go, you enter into cell G6. Now for fast mirrors like f2.7, you can't do that. Even at the radius of curvature, the dots are already spread out far enough. So what I do is, instead of having this setback thing on there, I just have a regular pinhole on there. And since there is no setback, I set cell G6 to 0. I hope my film and video of this wasn't too awful.